180. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Inside turn for the follower. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I stayed on the rail and I got that elbow down with the hand up. Leaders on their normal count 4, but I'm going to hook this right here and go 5 and 6 and change. Cross over. Basic left side pass to the leader. Follower gets her footwork. She's going to go 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. Awesome job, Kim. Just for the follower to have that. I walked 1, 2. I'm going to cross behind and 3. Making sure that I'm not wide stepping myself here. Keep that left knee into the right so that when I turn around on this pivot, 4, my foot's already underneath me. We have a walk, walk count to turn around, 5, 6. Here's where I get to gauge. Is he close to me? Do I need to spread out, or is he further away from me? Do I need to stay nice and tight? So I gauge this 5, 6, replace. Okay? From here, we had our big move. Starts with that hammer lock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's what's different. Instead of staying here and staying close to her, I'm popping out behind and crossing that rail, starting to lift this left hand. I'm the hammer lock myself, turning the leader towards the right and putting that right hand in the small of my back. 5, about face, 6, over top. Okay, this is where I said, don't worry if you're not perfectly down line, okay? This can be sort of shortened here. Now, we have 7 and 8 is what I made it. I'm gonna take that hand to the small of my back, to the, what's that thing called?
Armpit.
Thank you. Armpit. Giving myself the chicken wing because I know what I can handle right here. And I'm gonna move out 7 and 8. Okay, I messed up the feet a little bit right there. But it's your normal 8 count footwork. Let me do that just a little faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, walk 6, 7, and 8. Turning around, releasing it, catching here. Okay, we also made it a 10 count pattern where we walked 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, walk 6, walk 7, walk 8. Now I have that triple, 9 and 10. We extended it to give yourself more time so you don't have to triple through the head duck pattern. Sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cut off, whip, and 1, 2, under rotate 4. Okay? We're going to do our and skip and 5. And 5, and 6, and 7. Last one, I make it small so that she can skip to the pocket. And then we can either start the pattern over again or move on to the next. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5,